This is a pika, a relative of the rabbit. By June, her home in Canada's Rocky Mountains has just come into bloom. But at 2,000 meters, the growing season is extremely brief. Even now, there's still snow on the slopes. Pikas don't hibernate. So if she's going to have anything to eat during the long winter, she'd better start storing now. She makes up to 200 journeys between here and the meadow each day. But not everyone's been quite so industrious. This pika's hay pile is woefully sparse. But there are shortcuts if you're prepared to cheat. He has to pick his moment. Wait till the coast is clear, then steal from his neighbor's stash. Thieving saves time and energy. But what goes around comes around. A ground squirrel is also trying to cash in on the spoils of summer. And the master thief's growing hay pile has not gone unnoticed. So while the pika's out pilfering, the squirrel helps himself. How dare he! No honor among thieves.